One fine summer's morning, Willie Lammer into his comrade's bedchamber would go, saying, "Comrade, dear comrade, let nobody know. 'Tis a fine summer's morning of pain, and we'll go to the Lakes of Coolfin, the two comrades came. Who should they meet but the keeper game? All turned back Willie Lammer and don't venture in. For there's deep and false waters in the Lakes of Coolfin. Ah, but Willie jumped in and he swam the lake round till he came to an island of soft marshy ground, and he called to his comrades, "Don't follow me in. Oh, there's deep and false waters in the Lakes of Coolfin." What was later that morning, Willie's sister arose, and unto her mother all sadly she spoke, saying, "I had a sad dream about Willie last night. He was dressed in a shroud of snow white." Then Willie's mother rose and she went to the lake. She called out his name and she cried for his sake, saying, "Woe to the hour young Willie plunged in. Oh, there's deep and false waters in the Lakes of Coolfin." Oh, I saw a fair maiden, she stood on the shore. She was wringing her hands, she was crying full sore, saying, "Woe to the hour young Willie plunged in. Oh, there's deep and false waters in the Lakes of Coolfin. Oh, there's deep and false